Question 5. Buying chocolates 8 taka per piece and sell them at 8.5 taka per piece. The profit is 25 taka. How much chocolate were bought? So here we can see that cost price is 8 taka and selling price is 8.5 taka. As selling price is more than cost price, so profit is 8.5 minus 8, half taka. Now we have to determine how much chocolate was there. We know that profit and loss depends on cost price. So here cost price and selling price was for per piece. We can see that the question was for per piece. So the profit is also for per piece. Now we have to write for this how much chocolate was there. So we have to write 0.5 taka was profit for one chocolate, and we have to determine the 25 taka was total profit, and this profit was for per piece. So now we have to determine for 1 taka profit, for 1 divided by 0.5 chocolate, and 25 taka was total profit, how much chocolate he was bought. So 25 taka profit for 1 into 25 divided by 0.5 chocolate. So we have to erase the point 25 by, if we erase the point 0.5, then we have to multiply 1 with numerator, and after this decimal there was 1 digit, so we have to add 1 0 with beside 1. Now 5 is 25, 5 into 10, that means 50 piece chocolate were bought, and that's the answer. Question 6. Buying clothes at 125 taka per meter and sold at 150 taka per meter. Seller got 2000 taka profit. How much clothes he bought? Here we can see that the cost price was 125 taka and selling price 150 taka. As selling price is more than cost price, so here is profit. And profit will be 150 minus 125. That means 25 taka. Now we have to determine how much clothes he bought. So 25 taka was profit for per meter cloth. Now we have to write here 2000 taka was total profit, but 25 taka profit was for per meter cloth. Now we have to write 25 taka profit at 1 meter cloth, and we have to determine 2000. First we have to find for 1 taka. 25 to 1, that is more to less, so we have to more to less we have to divide 1 divided by 25 meter cloth. Now for 2000, the total profit, so 2000 taka was profit for, then 2000 was more than 1, so less to more, that means we have to multiply with the numerator, 1 into 2000 divided by 25. So the calculation was we have to divide 25 and 2000 by 5, and the calculation finally was 80 meter cloths. So total 80 meter cloth he bought. That's the answer. Question 7. Buying a product at 190 taka and sold at 175 taka. So how much will be the percentage of profit and loss? So here we can see that cost price equal 190 taka and selling price equal 175 taka. Cost price is more than selling price. So here will be the phenomenon is loss. So loss is 190 minus 175 equals 15 taka, and we know that profit and loss both are depends on cost price. So at cost price 190 taka, loss is 15 taka, and in question we can see that the percentage means at 100 taka. So we have to determine for 1 taka and then for 100 taka. More to less, that means we have to divide, and less to more, that means we have to multiply with numerator. And the calculation was 15 into 10 divided by 19. That means 150 divided by 19. So 19, 150 we have to divide 7. If we multiply 19 by 7, then it will be so the calculation was 17 upon 19. Here was the unit taka, and when we write the answer, we have to write 17 upon 19%. Here answer was given at percentage. So at the time of writing answer, we have to write in percentage.